SACA is Forward Air Controller Airborne. It's an extension of the TACP. We work for the Ground Force Commander in Terminal Attack Control, which is employing ordnance in close proximity to friendlies, essentially controlling aircraft move around the airspace and responsible for the deconfliction and coordination of those aircraft as they enter the airspace. That is essentially briefing all the aircraft on the situation, briefing the 9 lines, which is the template used to execute fires on the target and correlating any attacking assets on the threat. And then control is that final check of terminal attack control, where we're actually issuing clearance for fires in close proximity to the friendly force.
Cujo 2-1, this is Vulture. We're in contact with Stalker 2, a Marine recon platoon north of the MSR. They blasted 3 T-72s in the area. I need you to push 16 clicks north of MSR knife to map grid 257, 7, 9, or 8. How copy, over? Vulture, Cujo 2-1.